Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Practice English with Rakesh. So my friend, today in this video I will talk about my day. How was my day today? So I will talk about everything in past tense and in slow motion because at home if you want to start speaking, if you want to start practice with without any partner, then at home you can start practice in the front of camera. You can start practice in front of mirror. First you have to think, okay, what you want to say, then slowly speak in the front of camera, in front of mirror. Okay, first think, then speak. So you have to practice like that just for 1 and 2 months. Okay, so every day you have to practice English by speaking your day activity. Okay, so like me today, I'm going to talk about my day. How was my day today? How I spent my day. So today I got up early in the morning at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I grabbed the towel and went to washroom and I had shower. Okay. Then I came back to my room. Okay. So today there is one thing. Why I did wake up early in the morning. So usually I wake up at 6:30, yes, 7 o'clock. But today I woke up at 6 o'clock. So actually I woke up at 6 o'clock because today I had to go hospital and I had to take my mother to hospital for regular checkup. So that's why I got up at 6 o'clock, and my mother, she actually got up 1 hour, 1 hour earlier than me because she actually made breakfast food, okay, for whole family, and she also packed food for two person, me and for herself. So in the morning time I didn't take anything, like I didn't had anything, I just ate fruit. So my mom actually, she was getting ready. At the time actually 7 o'clock she was getting ready and I was also getting ready. So my mom actually, after that my mom called me from the home yard that I'm going, you come after me. Okay, I grabbed some document, okay, and immediately I just had some fruits and yeah, I actually walked all the way to the bus stop. So when I was about to reach at the bus stop, so my mom actually was also about to reach there. We actually waited there for 50 minutes. After that, one bus came, okay, like a short route bus, that was actually was to go just Gumami bus stand. Okay, so we actually got on that bus. Okay, we both got a sheet. Okay, and I took ticket. I took ticket for my destination, and after 20 minutes, okay, we actually about to reach at the bus stand. Means our bus was entering in the bus stand. So that's that time. Actually, I saw that our direct hospital route bus was coming from other side. So I said my mom, please get off the bus immediately. We have to catch that bus. So we both got off the bus and we both caught that Ames route bus, Ames hospital route bus. That the government bus. We got on that bus and my mom got a seat, but I didn't get seat. So I kept standing in the bus all the way to the hospital. We reached there at 9 o'clock in the hospital. Then we both entered in the hospital. Okay. Then the first work I have to do that I have to make a persistent slip through Aadhaar card, because in Himachal government actually start a procedure. Government have started a procedure to make, if everyone actually want to make persistent slip, okay, they have to get persistent slip made through Aadhaar card. So I opened Aadhaar card in my mobile phone and enter my mom Aadhaar card number. But my Aadhaar application that stuck after that stuck. Okay, so I didn't get any token number. Then I went to prescription slip counter. Okay, and I told him that problem that my Aadhaar application is getting stuck. So he said, no, you have to take you will have to take token number. Then I went to security guard. So though both two security guard in the main entrance gate, they were giving token number to people, because so many people they actually didn't know how to handle, how to operate that Aadhaar card. So that security guard, they were helping the people to get the token number. So I actually show him that my problem. So he actually open Aadhaar card in his phone number in his phone and enter my mom Aadhaar card numbers. Then again stuck. Our application stuck in his mobile also. So he said it's getting stuck. So you have to you will have to get prescription slip made without token number. So I went to prescription slip counter, and actually I told him the problem that I tried 2 times, so my application is getting stuck. So at the end he agreed, and he actually made prescription slip. Then I got 57 number. No, I took a prescription slip and we both went to third floor, because in third floor our doctor was sitting. Our doctor's cabin was in third floor. So we went there to security guard in the front gate. Okay, I actually gave my prescription slip to him, and he actually put number 57 number on my prescription slip. Then so it means our we were in queue. Our number was 57. So we both sat on the waiting area. Okay, and we both started waiting for our number. Okay, for our turn. Then after 1 hour, security guard called for 10 person, like in a queue for 10 person, like a 50 to 50, 50 to 60 number. They have to, and he said, you have to check your you will have to check, so you will have to get your BP checked from the nurse. So my mom went, and my mom actually got BP checked by the nurse. So my nurse actually wrote my mom BP measurement on the persistent slip. Then we actually came out from that room, and we actually started waiting in the main hall, because after 1 hour we both after 1 hour that security guard called. So we both actually went to doctor cabin. I i actually I gave prescription slip to the doctor and said and also I gave a blood test result report, and the doctor actually checked that result. So doctor said it's okay, everything is okay. Your mom thyroid is in control. So you have to continue taking that thyroid medicine. I just requested to the doctor I just requested doctor that doctor Saab, can you please reduce the dose of this medicine? So he actually after that he actually saw me like this, and actually he got angry. So he said, uh, "I'm a doctor. You are not a doctor. It's my responsibility. What kind of medicine and how much dose I have to write for the patient? You are not a doctor." So that time I just noted that, because we can't argue with doctor and vakil, like advocate. Okay, so it's a rule, because if we actually argue with the doctor and advocate, then argument actually will keep going on for a long time. So there is no need to argue with doctor and advocate. Okay. So if because that doctor was not, actually was very rude doctor, so he actually didn't listen. He actually didn't want to listen my request. So I said it's okay. So he actually prescribed some test for my mother, DEXA scan. That test name is DEXA scan. So I actually went to counter, mm, payment counter, okay, and I gave 800 rupees for that DEXA scan test, okay, and then we both went to DEXA scan room. So that time it was, I think, 1:25 p.m. So he said in DEXA scan room, that person said, uh, you have to come after lunch. So then it's okay. So we actually, me and my mom, we actually came out from the main entrance of the hospital, and we actually went to that area where communist feast was being given. Communist feast means langar. So actually I also had, we both also had packed food, like a homemade food. We actually packed at home. But me and my mom, we both actually took some pulse, and so we both actually sat there, and we both had lunch. We both also had homemade food. Okay, so that community feast, actually food was very tasty. So we both enjoyed that food, simple and tasty food. So when we were coming out from that area, me and my mom bumped with a person that was from my village. So he was there with a person who had an accident and who was admitted in AIMS hospital. So we both actually also wanted to go there and ask him well-being. So my mom asked him that take us both to that room where he actually was admit. So he actually took both of us to that sixth floor where he actually in like a patient ward. Okay, where he was kept. Then me and my mom, we both asked well-being about that person. So he actually had an accident with the bike, like 3 day ago. So that person was that person actually belonged to our village. Okay, so that's why we actually went there and asked well-being of that person. Then after 50 minutes, we came back and went to the DEXA scan room. So that person in Texas Scan, that person actually there was already five and six patient, 5 and 6 person who was waiting outside for their number. So that time, me and my mom actually we thought actually today we would not free like before 5 p.m. So after like 1.5 hour, my mom turn came, and my mom actually get that hexa scan done and got a report in her hand. Then we went to the doctor's room in third floor, but doctor was not sitting in his room, but some other doctor, like we can say trainee doctor, they were sitting. So I actually went inside, and I I saw that report, hexa scan report, that doctor. So he said your mom's actually, because of old age, your mom's bone is getting weak. So it's very high risk to fracture. And he actually prescribed one injection. He said that one injection, actually there is a one injection that will be inject in a year. The rate of the injection is 1,000 rupees. So I just noted and didn't say anything. And because I against about that injection, about that treatment, because that treatment is just like a temporary treatment. So we actually not I just noted, and both actually that doctor actually prescribed that injection, wrote down that injection and name on the prescription slip, and he said if just if you want to take that injection, then come after 2 and 3 hours, 3 days. So we both walked down to the main entrance. So bus was standing outside the main entrance, government bus, because actually from the AIM hospital, uh, government had started that facility, AIMS hospital to Gumarmi, AIMS hospital to Bilaspur, such kind of route from the AIMS hospital. So we actually both got on the bus, and my mom actually got a seat again from the return. At the time of return, I didn't get a seat, so I kept standing all the way to the city. So when I was about to reach there, like in our city, like in Kumabi city, so we have to catch another bus to our village. When actually the bus was entering in the bus stop, so one bus actually was coming, and that bus conductor was actually calling like that, calling to the passenger who actually want to go, to that route. Okay, so yeah, I put my mother on that bus, and I actually, because actually I actually had to buy some medicine from the shop, so that's why I put my mother on another bus to that who that bus was actually going to our village. So I bought medicine, and then I actually caught the bus and reached at home. And at home I reached, and at 7 o'clock I reached. So actually I changed my clothes. Then I went to kitchen, and I had dinner. So that day actually I was very tired. So I was so much tired, and right now I'm feeling so much tired. Okay, so but actually I wanted to practice. That's why I'm actually shooting this video. So thank you. So that's all about that today. So same like this, you have to practice at home like this, like 1 and 2 hours every day. You have to speak your daily routine. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to learn, if you want to, conversations, okay, converse with me, like on a video call, a Zoom meeting, then you can message me. I will try to manage my time. So thank you very much. Keep supporting me.